This video will show you how to calculate the mean, median, and mode, and standard deviation using Excel for any group of data. Here we have two groups of data with age, sex, and GPA. I'll just show you how to calculate these values for using GPA in group 1. So first you select any square that has no data in it, and you always start with an equal sign. For mean, you'll write average and then select the data. I find it easiest to just highlight the data and then press enter or a close parenthesis, and it should give you your value there. You can also type out the cells, beginning with here C3, going all the way to C, wherever the last variable is. So for median, you just type median. For mode, you can choose single mode or multi-mode. And then for standard deviation, it's STDEV. And the same thing, you always just highlight the set of data, make sure you close parenthesis or press enter at the end, and it should give you all of the data that you're looking for.